Ladies and gentlemen, I'm back again with another what's in my camera bag video. Now, these videos are some of my favorite videos to watch on YouTube because I just love seeing what's in other people's cameras bag. So, like always, I decided to make my own version. This is what's in my camera bag as of right now in December 2022. So without further ado, let's just hop into it. Also, if you're not already, make sure you're subscribed to the channel because I'm coming out with a lot more content and 2023 is gonna be a great year for this channel. Okay, so the bag itself. This is the Backpack Pro by a company called DB. Now, I did a review on this backpack. Spoiler alert, it's one of my favorite backpacks that I've ever used. I'll put the card up here if you wanna check that out. But something I love about this backpack is that one, it just looks very good. I feel like this backpack is one of the coolest looking backpacks I have, like all black. It's just such a good looking bag in my opinion. And the other thing is that it also just carries everything so well and everything fits perfectly. Everything has a place. It's nice and organized and I just really like this bag. I've had it now for about two and a half years. Yeah, about 2 years now and I just can't say enough good things about this bag. Yeah, I love this bag. So, first thing I carry is my laptop and that is the 16-inch M1 Max MacBook Pro. Now this is the new MacBook Pro and I love it so far. I've had it for a year now and literally it's my workhorse. Every single YouTube video, every single picture, every single thing I do, every single word I type for school has been done on this machine. I just find that it just works perfectly for everything that I need it for 4K video editing, for color grading, for picture editing. Everything is just nice on it. And the big screen is perfect because it just has a great canvas to work on. The screen itself is amazing. So definitely my workhorse, something that I cannot live without, and I take it with me pretty much everywhere I go. Okay, so this backpack has a top pocket and I carry a couple little things in there. So the first thing I carry, you've seen it before, the Fujifilm X100V. I love this camera. Like the images that I get out of this are so nice. They're so satisfying. Using this is just so satisfying. It looks great. It takes great pictures. It makes me feel like I'm making art with this picture without getting too cheesy on you. Carry this everywhere I go because I take pictures with this everywhere I go. I also have my portable SSD. This is the SanDisk 1 terabyte version. Now, I switched to portable SSDs about a year ago and I'm not looking back. They're so fast, they're so much more reliable, and they're also so much smaller than just the normal hard drives. And I just edit off of them. Basically, I'm gonna get a new one of these too, but I love SSDs. I also keep one extra battery for my camera, which you will see in a sec. It's always clutch having an extra battery because you never know when your battery's gonna die. And last but not least, I carry a little Allen key. This one works with the Peak Design plate that I keep on the bottom of my cameras. So in case for any reason I need to take it off quickly, I have the Allen key to do that. Okay, now moving on to the good stuff. This is what you came here to see. This is the main compartment. Now it opens up just like this. And as you can see, I have everything very nice and organized. Putting the bag to the side so I can just start taking things out of it. Now the camera that I use is the Sony a7S III and on it is the 24-70 f2.8 G Master lens. This lives on the camera literally 99% of the time. Now you might be wondering, Aryan, if that's your camera, what are you recording on with? Well, I am recording on the Canon R5. I am testing this camera out because I am really liking Canon colors right now, and I don't know if I should make the switch from Sony to Canon. I know a lot of people go from Canon to Sony, but I'm thinking of going from Sony to Canon. So if you like the colors and how this video looks, then make sure you leave that in the comments because I'm kind of very confused because I like things of both cameras, so I'm gonna be further testing that out. But yeah, this is the camera that I carry in the bag, Sony a7S III. 24-70 f2.8. Now my next main lens is this small one right here. It is the Sony 24mm f1.4 G Master lens. This is great because at f1.4 it lets in a ton of light. So my go-to lens in low light situations when I just want some nice buttery crispy shots at f1.4. And I also use this lens to vlog because it's nice light. It's like super small, much lighter than the 24-70. So that just goes right on the camera when I'm vlogging and it does the job perfectly well. Aside from that, I also love how sharp this is. So I use this for a lot of B-roll shots. This is definitely my go-to lens when I just need something small and compact that does the job very, very well. Now the next lens that I have, and this is the last lens that I actually take with me, is this little guy right here, the Nifty 50 Sony edition. This is the Sony 50mm f1.8 lens. Again, super, super compact. It's great for actually portraits, it's great for pictures, some B-roll. It's just a lens that doesn't take too much space, so I just carry with me because it comes in clutch, especially in low light, because it can stop down to f1.8. Now I actually do carry a drone with me. I know I don't even use the drone that much. I bought it so long ago, but I just carry it with me because in case I need to use it. And this is the DJI Mavic Mini, and I have that with the controller right here. Again, I barely use this thing. Like I probably used this like maybe 5 times in the past like 2 years. I probably should sell it because, or I should probably start using it more, but I carry this with me in the backpack because I think it's fun, and if I do use it, it's very nice to have. I also keep this super mini air blower in case there's any dust in the camera, you know. Keep your stuff clean, and I do that with this. Now the microphone I have switches a lot of times. If I don't have a lot of space, I carry this one, which is the Rode Video Micro. Then it has like the wind filter on it. I just put this on the top of my camera when I'm vlogging. I also have the Rode Video Mic Pro Plus. That's in my other backpack right now just because it didn't fit in this one and I didn't really need it for where I was going in Toronto. So I carry this one, and it does the job really well. What I like about this is that it doesn't take any batteries or anything, so I never need to worry about if it's charged, and I never need to worry about if it's on, because when it's plugged in, it's recording, and it sounds really good. You know, like I've filmed a lot of vlogs with this, so I can tell you firsthand that this little guy packs a punch, and it's very popular for that reason. So if you've noticed, every single camera has the Peak Design clips on it. So I think that whole system is so good because it's so interchangeable and you can pretty much use anything with it. So I use this nice red rope camera strap. I like the color of it. Look at that, it looks sick against the black. But yeah, this just goes onto my camera when I need to just put it around my neck or just sling it around. It has the Peak Design clips on it, and this one I just bought from Amazon, and it didn't actually come with the Peak Design clips, but you can get the little kit and then you can add it. So I just added it to this, and I just feel like this is a nice little strap, and I just carry it with me because it just definitely comes in handy, especially when I'm out and about. I'm doing a pretty good job like keeping everything back and organizing this bag because I have to go after this video. I don't want to rearrange this bag. And ladies and gentlemen, last but certainly not least, I carry my tech pouch in here. Now, if you're wondering what's in my tech pouch, I'll actually show you it real quick. It is the Peak Design tech pouch in black. So I carry a bunch of stuff in here. I made a full video about what I keep in it last year actually, so I'll leave that linked as well, just right above here. But basically, nothing has changed too much. I just carry things that I just need when I'm on the go. So I carry lens filters. Actually, this is the new one I just got in today. This is the Peter McKinnon variable ND filter. Now I carry another filter. This is a mist filter and a circular polarizer, SD card reader, like some chargers, you know, like basically just some stuff that I need if I'm on the go, and it stays nice and organized in this tech pouch, and that goes right in the bag. So I actually keep 2 more things. One of them is being used in the back. See this like blue light that I have going on? That is a little small rig light that's RGB. It's great. It's lighting up my background right now, so it's not in my bag. And then I also have this little mini tripod. It stands up just like that. It has this like articulating ball head that just comes in clutch when I just want to, it acts as a great vlogging stick. So when I have the camera, I can vlog with it. Or if I just need to like prop up a light or prop up a camera in a certain way, this comes in super handy. It's super cheap, mini, and doesn't take any room at all. That's why I literally couldn't see it when I was looking at the bag. But yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is what's in my camera bag for 2022. Like I said, this is the stuff that I've been using the whole year, and it's been going good so far. Like maybe I'm gonna make some upgrades in 2023, you never know. But as of right now, I like this setup. It's doing the job well, it looks good, it's functional, and it allows me to make these videos for you. That's it for me. If you liked this video, please make sure you like and subscribe. It helps me out a ton because I want to break through the algorithm and I want to really grow this channel in 2023. So be a part of the family. You know, we got some cool stuff coming out to end the year out strong. And then as I said, 2023, I just want to make that the best year for this channel as I can. So I'll see you guys in the next video. My name is Aryan. Thank you so much for watching.